Hi, y'all. Okay, confession time. Who else gets those late-night cravings when you just need a little something to satisfy that sweet tooth, but you're also trying to stay on the healthy side? Well, let me introduce you to your new best friend, sweet potatoes. Yep, you heard me right. Sweet potatoes aren't just for Thanksgiving or sneaking into fries, they're here to rescue us from our sugary temptations. And guess what? We're about to turn this into a dessert that'll make you forget all about those chocolate bars and candy stashes. Step 1. Let's get these sweet potatoes prepped. Think of them as nature's candy in disguise, packed with vitamins, fiber, and just enough natural sweetness to trick your brain into thinking you're indulging when really, you're doing your body a favor. While these babies are boiling, let's talk benefits. Sweet potatoes are full of fiber to keep things moving, vitamin A for that superhero vision, and antioxidants that make you feel like you've got your life together. Alright, they're tender and ready to get even sweeter. Now, we're adding coconut milk to give it that creamy, tropical flair. Think of it as a little vacation in a pan. Who doesn't need that, right? Next, honey. Not too much, just enough to give it that wow, is this dessert vibe without sending you into a sugar crash. Plus, honey's full of good stuff like antioxidants and can help with allergies. Bonus. And now, for the grand finale, condensed milk. Just a bit, because we still want to keep this on the healthy side. But hey, we're not here to suffer, we're here to enjoy. Look at that. It's like a dessert that walks straight out of your dreams and into your kitchen. We'll let this simmer so the flavors can mingle, make friends, maybe even fall in love. Now, here comes the moment of truth. This isn't just dessert, this is dessert with benefits. Take a bite and tell me this doesn't taste like the love child of indulgence and healthy eating. Oh wow. It's creamy, it's sweet but not too sweet, and that coconut milk gives it this exotic twist. And here's the kicker, this whole pan is practically guilt-free. You can enjoy it, knowing that you're doing something good for your body. And the best part, this little dish might just become your go-to sweet treat when those cravings hit. So next time you're thinking about raiding the candy stash, give sweet potatoes a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. If you love this sweet treat, hit subscribe for more delicious and healthy surprises. You won't want to miss what's coming next.